Unit 12. Directions to the toilet.
Al, is something wrong?
No, I'm okay. Do you have a toilet here?
Oh no, I'm so sorry. There is no toilet in this shop.
Okay, where is a toilet?
Well, there is a public toilet close to here.
Yeah? Where is it?
Oh, it's really hard to find if you don't know where it is.
Hurry, please!
Okay. Go out the door and take a left.
Okay, out the door, left, and then?
And then walk 15 meters until you see a pet fish shop.
Okay, pet shop, and then?
And then you'll see a staircase there. Go down the stairs.
No, okay, up the stairs, and then?
No, not up the stairs, down the stairs.
Okay, down the stairs, and then?
And then you'll see a waterfall.
And then?
And then take a right.
Okay, right at the waterfall, and then?
And the toilet is there.
Oh, thank you. So out the door, is it right or left?
Maybe I should draw you a map.
Never mind! I'll find the toilet myself.
Hey, good luck! Call me if you get lost.
Do you have a toilet here?
Well, there is a public toilet close to here. Go out the door and take a left. And then walk 15 meters until you see a pet fish shop.
Right at the waterfall, and then?
Maybe I should draw you a map.
Never mind! I'll find the toilet myself.